What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be speaking about the One-Eyed Jackals and the Abyss artifact quest linked to it. At this spot over here between Pailune, Hanad, and Demonets, right over here, zooming into the spot, Storm Talon Ridge, right over here is where you can pick up this Abyss artifact / Sealed Abyss artifact challenge, which once you have a look at it, is this quest here. Disruption, defeat 10 One-Eyed Jackals while wearing the Black Bear's leather helmet. Now, the thing about this is you've likely killed a lot of Black Bears if you've already cleared out Pailune. If you haven't, well, simple enough for you, clearing this out, you'll get this challenge done in no time. However, if you're like me and this is all complete, what can you do? Well, one of the side quest lines that pop up a bit later is Undo Pailune. The Stjar clan, opening this one up, the Jackals scheme, asks us to defeat One-Eyed Jackal Captain at Skull Cove. If we have a look at the map for this marked location is where you'll find a couple more of them, Skull Cove, and as soon as you have this quest unlocked, heading up to this area and clearing it out, you should be able to get this done pretty easily. If you've already sold all of your Jackal helmets, you can head across to Pailune, where, all the way at the bottom here, you'll find the tailor shop, which is where we can head and actually purchase one of these. So if we teleport them, we can head across into here, and we should be able to open this shop where we can purchase a bunch of different hats, including, all the way at the bottom, the Black Bear's leather helm. This is what we'll need to wear while killing Black Bears in order to complete this little challenge. You can purchase it for 9 silver, which is a bit steep, but if you finish with the story, well, that's your only choice. If we scroll down to it and equip it, there you go. All we have to do now is either find our way up north to continue this quest line, which even if you've cleared out the area, you should be able to get this done pretty simply. Otherwise, moving down south towards this little blob T section here, zooming in, these places around here also have Black Bears in it. If these places aren't liberated just yet, well, you can head down there and get it done too. For me, I'll be heading up north, and as there's a question mark next to it, we haven't explored it, so we haven't found out who owns it just yet. So making our way all the way up north, as you would have hoped, there's some Black Bears here we can sort out, even though we've basically finished everything. But yeah, on your way to finishing off this quest and clearing out these last few areas, you should have everything done pretty easily. You don't need to worry about the fact that you might have missed the opportunity while clearing out Pailune. So there you go. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.